Hey guys, this is Johnny, and today I'm going to show you how to do the reveal shot. All you need is a camera, and you will need an object in which the camera is going to go through. For example, this is how you reveal. Okay, it's going through, it's here, it's out here, but when you pull back, it reveals that it's actually inside something, and that's basically the essentials of it. Alright, so let's see it in action. So here I have a flower, a succulent, if you want to be specific. Now, in order to shoot the reveal shot and make it more cinematic, you would want to shoot it at a high FPS, creative frame. Slow-mo. If you shoot it in slow-mo, your motion looks more smooth and the reveal just feels more powerful, I guess. What I'm going to do right now is I want to make sure my subject is in focus, and before I pull it out, I want to make sure I'm still. So let's say it's in focus here. You don't want to see the border of it, of your box or whatever object is around. And then in, out, and pull. And that's the reveal shot. I'm gonna check back on my footage. Sometimes you have to do this multiple times to ensure that you have a really good motion that's really smooth. Hopefully I got it in one take. If I got it in one take, this tutorial would be done really fast. The other thing that helps the shot be more cinematic is if you swivel. And when I say swivel, I mean like rotate the camera. By rotating the camera, you give it more pizzazz. Is I guess more flavor. You give your shot more flavor because it's not just a stationary pull, but if you go in and then turn as you pull out, you have a more stylish scene. Sometimes your object is not this big, sometimes it's small. For example, can't really fit your camera through it. It has to be somewhat around the size of your lens. If it's not around the size of your lens, well, you just can't reveal it. Now, I'm looking at the flower, and then I pull out, and then they're just like, what the hell? So I had slight resistance, so therefore, you could kind of tell that the camera is doing something. But that's the general idea of how to do a reveal shot. Maybe if I remove this and this. All right, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. So the faster you go while you're shooting in slow-mo, the smoother it will look. It's okay. All right. But yeah, that concludes today's tutorial on the reveal shot. Alright guys, this is Johnny with another tutorial. Short, simple, keep it easy. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. Johnny out.